Let me just go on to here. Grab this link. Perfect. Live here on boom. Where's the live at? There we go. Perfect. Hello, hello, hello. Just get this up properly, make sure it's all good. Hello, hello, hello. Hope everyone's doing well. I do apologise for the delay on today's live. I was out in London. Morning, Tony. Hello, hello, hello. I was out in London. Today I've drove back from Birmingham to London. I've got a few things I've got to do this week in London. So yeah, it's been a busy day, and definitely something which I didn't realise. Hello, Sarah. Hello, Mal. Hello, Zach. Hello, William. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Elliot Lee. Hello, hello, hello. But yeah, I didn't realise at all how bad London traffic, well, London roads are. It's actually horrendous. But this is going to be a fairly quick live. Hello, Rosie. Hello, Plague. Hello, Rob. Brandon Lee, Masak Pay, MGV. Again, guys, this is going to be a pretty quick live. We're just going to dive straight into it. If you do have any questions, let me know. Hope everyone's had an amazing weekend. Hope you're looking forward to next week. We got some really cool things going on. I did tease some stuff with fundamentals as well, which I'm going to be including a lot more inside the community. Being partnering with like co-developing a new platform to try and bring retail traders that fundamental side in a very easy format. So it's really cool. So a few things going on there, Discord revamp, etc. Loads and loads of things actually. So yeah, it's going to be, I did say 31st of this month. That's where like everything comes together. So get it in the diaries. I did say in the private group earlier, Nigel, but I did say before, get it on the calendars. Get it 31st of this month. Yeah, 31st of March. Sorry, not April. 31st of March. Get ready. It's gonna be crazy. That's mine, Dominic. Mine too. But let's just dive straight in. So first off, again, I did say a message earlier. I'm pretty bearish on gold this week, as I was towards the end of last week as well. Reason for this is because people are basically moving a lot of money towards yield assets, and then also a lot of people, like, basically towards the end of like 2025 going into 2026, everyone thought that the Fed would cut rates. I spoke heavily about this over the past few months as the reason why gold went up so heavily, and now that those sort of rate cuts aren't in sight, a lot down to when we got this kind of pivot when the new Fed chairman came in, or was like nominated to come in by Trump, that kind of, and he's got a hawkish view on rate cuts. Basically that kind of went out the window, and then what propped up the price of gold then was the escalating conflicts in the Middle East, but contradicting what most people think with that, that actually, because it's heavily like correlated with the price of oil, because of the Strait of Hormuz and the imports and exports of oil through that strait is so insanely huge, and obviously impacts oil, given why, and that's heavily seen in the chart on oil. I mean, oil went from like $60 or $70 to like, I don't even know, like $120 a barrel, or whatever it was. It was insane. I don't know if it was 120, but it was insane. And because oil is denominated in USD, that obviously like heavily increased the strength of the US dollar, and then amongst a bunch of other things as well. So I expect the dollar to continue to be very strong. Now, this does mean that the gold can still perform well, but will it perform well enough to counter the dollar's strength? That's the hard part on gold right now. Uh, struggling to steep, Adam. Hope not. Hope it's not too bad. Yeah, definitely. Everyone needs to get an earlier night. I think start the week. Start is strong, and then Adam, if you're struggling to sleep, get a little like midnight workout in. Hello, Craig. Hello, Spaggers. Hello. So yeah, overall, looking mainly to the downside, and that is also correlated. Like we can see that in the technicals as well, with just very basically lower lows and lower highs on the like midterm time frames as well. So it's good how they line up. So we'll just have to keep an eye on what goes on in the Middle East, as if things do settle down very quickly, that could really cause some craziness if they come to a deal, which we've seen happen before. We've seen deals like Trump come to deals in like 2 days. Like these things can change quickly. So first off, I've got this level here. Again, I'm much preferring the sell levels, which we'll go into, but these are still higher time frame levels. They're still very nice. Golden pocket, previous daily open, previous value area low, very strong. This one here it's a 0.5 plus 0.786 plus previous daily open plus naked point of control. I like this a lot. Let me just get this up. Perfect. Yeah, that's really nice. I like this a lot. There we go. I've been smashing Jim again. Oh, nice Adam. Definitely. Let's set some targets in place for the gym. I think it's good to motivate. Let's get some sort of like Adam. I think a good thing to do is drop Brandon Lomas, Brandon Success Coach, a message in the Discord, and let's sort of coordinate like a fitness challenge. Like if you're smashing the gym again, then that isn't just you're like, instead of just being like, yeah, Adam's gonna smash the gym. Let's share that with other people in the group and other members. If thousands of people are seeing it, maybe 1-2 members, they decide to really smash Jim again, and there you go. Like it's doing well. That you and like it's getting late now. I can't get the words out, but I think you get what I'm saying. Yeah, it doesn't even have to. I'm not saying like show workout videos or anything like that, but just like a check-in photo. Adam, I'll send you a voice note after this of something which ties into that. But like a check-in video. Yo, I'm in the gym. If you're able to, like, get on a walk or go to the gym or something. Being fit and healthy is important when being at these charts, as well as it gives you mind clarity. So that's good. Luke, this is gold, so XAU USD, mate. Do challenges and stuff like that could be good. Yeah, Brandon, that could be really good. I'll drop you a message as well, Brandon, because there's been something which is going on in the background, which again I'm launching on the 31st of this month. A lot of things are changing, like every single part of the group is changing, really, in like a really good way, and so it all ties in really nicely. So yeah, it's gonna be really good. So macro to sort of gauge bias, and then pairing it with technicals as well, and then the lower time frames, technicals for entry confirmation. So I mark up strong levels, I look for confirmations when we enter said levels, but obviously always keeping in the macro in the back of the mind is very important. Just get 6 points in at the bars. William, if you're buying, I'm there. Yeah, Brandon, this 31st is going to be it's going to be the biggest, like it's going to be massive. So yeah, it's going to be huge. I look forward to seeing everyone's feedback, but a lot in what's coming. There's been a lot of things behind the scenes that have been leading up to this for a long, like a seriously long period of time, and so it should be really, really cool. I agree with that, Craig. Craig, you're gonna love what's going on as well. Definitely. Definitely. I love the spar at David. Adam's just chilling in the spar at David Lloyd. Love that, will you? Okay, I'm there. I'm there. Nice, mate. Sounds good. Yeah, definitely join at a good time. We've got like I mean, literally Telegram groups are like loads of updates with there. We've got some new cool things coming in. Just things that like you really can't find anywhere else. And then also the Discord, having highlighted how powerful of a resource the Discord is. We're really taking steps to like really make it as best as it can be, and yeah, so it's really cool. And then also for all members who are in the group, like it's you just gain access to everything like on when it's launched, like nothing else, just there, which is really cool. Everything sort of grandfathered in, if that makes sense, which is awesome. But yeah, the Discord, some cool stuff, but could do with hiring like someone specifically for Discord, like back end. But it's quite hard to find, and also obviously I want to make sure they're trustworthy, so I'd want to hire someone through a friend, but it's quite difficult to find people who've got experience in that very specific niche. It's very hard to find, and then also be extremely trustworthy as well. I'd only really hire something like that if they were sort of like I was given a referral from someone else. But that would be cool. I think definitely next step to take it that bit further would be to hire like someone specific in Discord, because you can do some crazy things with that just to make it so much better. I'm on Discord so much, you guys are on Discord so much. Like I want to make it, that pinpoint better, if that makes sense. So again, overview of going into Monday. Obviously, after Asia on a Sunday, I want to take a look at the charts in the morning. But the main sort of things are this level here looks good. This level here looks good. This level here looks really nice. Overall, obviously, bullish USD. Gold's kind of like neutral right now, and so I do anticipate us to push down, but we could see and sort of move up maybe into the value area before that continuation. So yeah, I think a lot of people, definitely Nigel, definitely, and that's hard. That's really harder said than done. Yeah, I mean it's a pain in the ass. And so, what was I going to say? I forgot what I was going to say. Yeah, we'll do Adam. It depends what it is. Oh yeah, me and Ben have spoke about stuff to do with Garen. Obviously, Garen's going to be flown out to Dubai when it's literally as soon as it's all cleared. Going to get Garen out to Dubai. I've pretty much said to him. I said to him at the event, but then I said to him after the event as well. Just let me know, and we'll sort it straight away. But obviously, want to make sure that everything's sort of sorted first off. I can't speak Hindi, mate. Okay, we'll do, Craig. I did have a look before. And it obviously looked really good and was really nice. Little wizard with the apps, which is really cool. But yeah, I'll take another look if you've changed a few things around. Definitely, I look forward to it. And Craig, Craig, I'm gonna send you something after this, which is good. Okay. Brandon, Adam, Craig, as soon as this live finishes, which will be very shortly, I'm going to keep this live short. The Craig especially, you're going to be mind blown. Brandon, Adam, you're going to be happy to hear what's coming. But yeah, Craig, I'm going to one up you this time. Just yeah, I'm one upping you. SMC ICT. I don't like ICT at all. The guy behind it isn't profitable from what I've seen, and so I just don't like ICT. I don't like that whole culture around it as well. SMC can work if you know when to use it and when not to use it. Just straight up, okay, here's an SMC strategy, I'm just going to use it and print money. That's not how it works. Definitely learning and adapting over time is the most important thing. And so yeah, I'd recommend, looking into a bunch of different things, finding what makes sense to you, pairing it with obviously macro analysis as well, higher time frame analysis, drawing that to the lower time frames to get those perfect entries. Never be afraid, if your idea is proven correct, to add to positions over the long run. Something which I love to do is adding to positions. Just make sure that risk management's on point. Add to winners, and then you're good to go. Pivots. It's not to do with pivots, but yeah. Constant. So look out for the next event. Okay, Brandon, I like that. I like that one. That's amazing. So well done on that. I'm just thinking back. That was actually the funniest thing. I can't believe you won at the end, Brandon. For those of you who didn't see that, who didn't know. So before the last in-person event, we recently did an event in London. The night before, went out with Brandon and a few others, which was really cool. And Brandon was there, so Garen was there, Ben was there, and we played golf, like what do you even call it? I was going to call it firing range, like shooting range. And Brandon was absolutely terrible, but he had the perfect form. And by the end of it, he actually won it, and he was just off in the corner, just doing his swing but not hitting the ball. And we were like, what are you doing? He was like, I'm back testing. Oh my god, it was so funny. It was so funny. That was hilarious. So yeah, you definitely got the makings of someone who's going to be really good at it, Brandon, just because like the swing was crazy, the ball just didn't go anywhere. So I don't really understand what was going on there, but it was so funny. Driving range, yeah. Shooting range. Slightly different. I can't pronounce your name, mate, but I live in Dubai. I'm currently in the UK with what's sort of going on. The 300 yards is coming. Yeah, definitely have to speak to Garen, man. I don't understand how he was. I mean, I think he hit like 320, 330 yards. Like, yeah, crazy. I bet, Brandon, if you ask in the group, I bet we've got some big golfers in the group. I know we've got a few who like, I don't know what their sort of handicap is or like, but they are at golf every weekend, and they like, you know, a few. I remember speaking to one member, and he like traveled into Europe for it to like compete in do some tournament thing, which is really cool. So yeah, definitely speak about it more in the Discord, Brandon. You'll find a lot of members who love it. So many people play golf nowadays. It's good fun. Backtesting golf is crazy, yeah. Lady H, I wanted to give it a couple of days. I think tomorrow. I do want to release the volume video now, which is done. So it's either going to be Craig second part of Indicator or volume video tonight. So Monday night. I don't know which one to release first. Either way, both very good. I'm really looking forward to the volume video because the animations and everything in the volume video are amazing. Like it's so good. I'm very happy with that video. Like that video is amazing. And so yeah, I'm like super happy with that video. So yeah, I'll figure out which one to go first. But there's a few videos which have kind of been like backlogged. I've got a lot of cool things to release. So Craig Indicator Part 2, Craig Indicator Part 3, volume video, fib video is basically done, I think. And so those to release. I need to send overviews from the few people I did last week with the one-to-ones. I've got more one-to-ones booked in with members next week as well, which I'm really looking forward to. To those who've got one-to-ones, I look forward to speaking to you. So yeah, busy, but everything's good. Okay, Masak's a beast. Goals are just chill, something to do, satisfying. Yeah, to be fair, I do see myself in the future getting into golf. Not right now, but in the future. I like the idea of, you know, going wherever, especially in Dubai. There's so many like golf estates. Like golf is huge in Dubai. It's like golf and paddle. Like that is they are like the Dubai sports, it seems like. They do love horses as well, but what you see most often, what everyone plays, every single person plays golf and paddle. And if you're looking to network now, man, business is done on the paddle court. Like, yeah, it just is. I don't know. I can't give any more than that. Like, it just is. It's crazy. Business is done on the golf course and on the paddle court, 100%. Brandon organising a little golf weekend. Yeah, Adam. To be the top golf in Dubai is amazing. It is amazing. I've been a even though I'm pretty crap. I've been a few times. I do like to go. I like the. It sounds a bit whatever, but I like the arcade. Like going to the arcade. I go with my girlfriend. She's very competitive, and like ice hockey. So first off, we play like top golf, which I'm not that good at. But ice hockey, it's ruthless. I'm telling you. Jimmy, what? I did not see that coming. I don't really know where to go from there. Hope you're all right, Jimmy. Brandon coming to Dubai. That sounds good, Adam. Ting's going to be coming very soon as well. So I feel wow, we've got Garen coming, Ting coming, Adam coming. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, it's gonna be it'd be good. I lived on the course in Sports City in Dubai. I was still rubbish, but my house was next to the clubhouse. Massac, that's brilliant. It's nice though. The golf courses are so well maintained. They're so nice in Dubai. Yeah, it's really really nice. So still rubbish though. Some people just haven't got it, and I think Massac, I'm with you. I ain't got it. I'm too rigid. But definitely too rigid. Anyway, guys, I do need to finish up this live. We're dropping still now. Again, overall bearish next week as USD really strong, gold kind of neutral. These are the levels which I'm looking at. I'll upload them into the private group now. Craig, Adam, Brandon, I'll be getting back to you within the next like 30 minutes. If you're asleep, it's fine. And yeah, see you in a bit, guys. Take care. Apologies for the quick live and apologies for the late live as well. But yeah, take care, guys. See you all. See you all in a bit. See you in a bit, Adam. See you in a bit, Brandon. See you in a bit, Moa. See you in a bit, Massac, Craig, Jimmy. Don't know what's going on there. Nigel, Lady H. Take care, guys. Have a great rest of your night, and let's smash.